Hello students. So we are discussing about the email services, right? So here Rediff mail alerts. So what are the Rediff mail alerts? So what are the alerts you will get in your email services from your email account? So so it is given the example of Rediff mail. So Rediff mail alerts is rediffs.com mail alert service available on the mobile phone. That means by using Rediff mail alert you can receive an alert through an SMS on your mobile as soon as an email reaches your mailbox. That means whenever an email comes to your email address, email account, then the Rediff mail alerts will do what? Rediff mail alerts will send one SMS on your mobile phone that you have received one email. Okay, this is called Rediff mail alerts. This SMS informs you to the email sender and the subject of the email message. So in their mobile phone, that SMS will come and it will show who has sent you an email and what is the subject of the email message. Then any Rediff mail user having prepaid or postpaid connection of mobile service provider in India can use Rediff mail alerts. Then anybody can use this Rediff mail alerts. Okay. However, your mobile service provider will charge you for every SMS. So you have to give some money. You have to pay some money for your email, Rediff mail alerts. Okay. The next, address book. What is called address book? So address book is nothing but it is like a contact book, contact list in your mobile phone. So what do you do in contact list? Uh, any number which is saved in your mobile phone, it is stored in contact book. Okay, right? That is called address book. So all the email addresses are saved here, stored here in the address book. So address book is convenient facility to information to store information of all your email contacts. See written. Besides this, you can also create group of contacts in address book to make sending email messages to a group of people such as business associates and relatives easier. So by saving your email addresses in a contact address book, then it makes it easy to send the emails to anybody, your relatives, business associates, anybody, or group messaging. So you can do very easily. So how to add individuals to your address book? So how to add here? Given the steps how to add any contact in your address book. So first of all, click the contacts option. Okay, click the contacts option. Then where you can see the contacts option, here you can see the contact option. Here you have to click the Rediff mail manage contacts screen will appear. So this is the Rediff mail manage contacts screen. So here you have to write all the details. You have to click on add new contact and write all the details of the person. So here add new contact you will click, and here you have to give all the basic information about that person: first name, middle name, last name, email, nickname, whatever they are asking, you have to give it. And after that, save all details you have to click. So save all details, then it will be stored in the address book of that email account. Okay, so it's very easy. Now, if you want to delete any person's name from the address book, you have to click what? You can delete a person from your address book by clicking the delete option. Okay, so it's very easy. So next paragraph, what is it? Netiquette. Okay, it is called Netiquette. So Netiquette or network etiquettes are the conventional rules for correct behavior on the internet. So these are the conventional rules, the standard rules which are made for correct behavior on the internet. So to follow the internet correctly in a mannered way, that is called netiquette. So what are the simple guidelines we should all follow, all users should follow, okay, while sending messages? So what message can you send? In general, you can send email message to a mailing list that will be interest of a majority of the members in that list. If the email message is of interest to only one member, you should send the email to the direct person directly instead of using the mailing list. So messages that contain links to illicit activities, hatred and racism of any kind besides any other material that may be deemed offensive to other individuals or organization are not allowed. That means what type of message can you send in email? So it is said here that you should send a very good messages which is of interest to all the people. That means you should not send any bad messages or any messages which creates hatred, spread hatreds in the community or the society. Okay, do not send any threat message. So in this type of message, if you send, it is wrong, it is not allowed, okay, in the internet. So it is written here. No flaming. What is the meaning? Angry or heated messages are called flames. So angry messages or heated bad messages about anger, when you send such type of messages, you offend the recipient and therefore are not encouraged. So if you send anybody this type of message, it is not good, it is not encouraged. So you should not send angry messages. No flaming. Then turn off caps lock. Caps locks, in the keyboard you have caps lock. If you on the caps lock, every letters will become capital letter, and if it is off, it will become small letter. So typing in capital letters in your emails is considered shouting at the recipient, and closing the text in a asterisk is the accepted method of emphasizing any part of a message. That means if you write anything, any paragraph, any line, any letter in all caps, that means all capital letters, does it look good? Yeah. So no, it does not look good. So suppose here in this book you are seeing many paragraphs are given, many things are given. Are all the lines are written in capital letters? No, because if all the lines are written in capital letters, it's not look good. It create confusion in our mind. It creates shouting in your mind. Okay, so it does not look good, and we are not comfortable in reading. That's why if you send all capitals in your email, it is considered shouting at the recipient. It is not good, it is not easy, it's not comfortable for the recipient who is reading the message. Okay, if you want to emphasize any word, any letter, any sentence, you should give a strict or inverted comma. Okay, okay, go next page. So what is written in the next page? See, so limit your signature. That means limit your signature means, so I have already learned taught you about the signature. How can you create the signature? What is the use of signature? So you have to limit your signature. Not everywhere you have to add the signature. Most email programs allow you to use signature text that gets automatically added to the end of all your email. So signature is added in the bottom, in the end of your letter in your application, right? Your thanks or your name, anything. So it should not be used in everywhere. Keep it short by limiting it to not more than 4 lines. Okay, you should limit your signature, not more than 4 lines. Then sign out. So sign out is very important. Clicking the sign out option gets you out of your Rediffmail account. That means any account, not only Rediffmail. So sign out is very important. Sign out or log out, it's same thing. So it is important to close your account properly. So why sign out is important? Why to close your account important? Because if your account is open, anybody can misuse your account. Anybody can send any bad message or anything, misuse your account, hack your account. This will prevent any possible misuse of your account by the next person who uses the computer. So sign out is very important so that anybody cannot misuse your account. Okay. So up to sign out, these were all about the netiquettes. Okay, netiquettes rules.